hiking up to one of the best sunset locations here near my home. It's one of these rocky viewpoints in the Swabian Jura. Just a great place with a view to a castle, and yeah, at the moment the sky is like a little bit overcast, and I don't know if I will see a sunset, but maybe it's becoming colorful and we will see. Now I'm standing right below this rocky thing, and you can maybe already see it right behind me. I will show it in a second. It's like one of the old ancient ways that doesn't have a sign anymore, and yeah, it's like nobody here, very quiet. And here I can show you there's already this rocky viewpoint up here. Maybe you can see it through the trees. Okay, so here we are. Cool place, perfect view, and the light is, well, not as expected, but I think it's quite nice. And yeah, I will stay for a while, do some photography and take some pictures, and yeah, just enjoy the time. And I will switch you off now and take some shots over here, and if there's anything good, I will append it to the video and show it to you at the end. Let me see if I can get closer. Yeah, the light is very beautiful right here in that region here. Let's see. I brought a long lens and I will see what I can get. Bye.